taking a look at the Air Venturi rail lock spring compressor. One of the things they've done with this is given it the ability to clamp onto a scope rail, which tends to be present on most spring guns today. And then having clamped onto that rail, we can go ahead and use the compressor to release the tension on the spring slowly, remove it from the gun, and then when we go to put the gun back together, we can compress the spring using this, and we don't have a chance for the spring to get away and damage something or hurt someone. It does come in a box along with a couple of Allen keys, which are used to make the adjustments, and it looks like we have some instructions here on how we go about using it. Okay, the first thing the instructions tell us to do is to remove the action from the spring gun stock. And the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and prepare it to connect the spring compressor. This is the portion that we're going to use the compressor to help us hold and then recompress. And what happens on this is we'll put the device on here, we'll go ahead and tighten this against it, putting some pressure on it, and that will allow us to knock out this pin. And then once that pin's removed, we can go ahead and take the pressure off and get the spring relaxed and pull it out of this gun. Okay, now we've gone ahead and put it on the power plant here, and you want this piece fully mounted. So the next thing we're going to do here is go ahead and use this key as a handle to turn our compressor and line it up against that end cap, and that should allow us to push that pin through pretty easily. Come up with enough hands to do that. Thank you. Go ahead and pull that out. Very good. Now, as you can see, cross pin is out and the spring tension is being held by our compressor. And we can go ahead and start relaxing the tension on. So, I'll go ahead and keep working it free here. Just holding everything down so that nothing gets out of alignment. Of course, there you can see where that cap was retained. And there we go. At the point that we no longer have tension on it, and that's where I am now, you can actually see a little space there. We do have a quick release we can push down, allow us to adjust this piece, and we'll go ahead and pull it all the way back. And at this point, you can see we could go ahead and disassemble